Hello guys, welcome back to the Mexican Food Channel. In today's video, we're making these delicious chocolate chip cookies. Let's start off by melting 1 cup of butter. Continue to stir it until it completely melts. Now that it's done, we're gonna let it sit while we work on the cookie dough. We're gonna get our dry ingredients ready. In a bowl, add 1 cup of bread flour. Run it through a colander to get rid of any clumps. Just continue to gently tap it until it all goes through. We're gonna do this with all of our dry ingredients. Now we're adding 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour. Run it through. Tap, tap, tap. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And let's set this aside for now. In a different bowl, add in 1 cup of brown sugar. We're also gonna add 1/2 cup of regular white sugar. Add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Here I'm using La Vencedora, my favorite. We're also gonna add espresso powder. Add in 1 teaspoon. I love how this smells. In it goes. Add in 1 cup of melted butter. Now it's time to mix. This smells so amazing. We're gonna add 2 eggs into this. And 2. Mix it. You remember all the flour ingredients we prepared earlier? Now we're gonna slowly add them in. I'm gonna add a little bit and mix. A little bit more. And all of it until we finish. We're gonna add 3/4 of a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Add them in. And we're gonna add this full giant-sized chocolate bar. I'm using the Special Dark. Let's go ahead and chop them into little pieces. Go ahead and add them in. Give it a quick mix. All right, it's ready. Go ahead and set up your trays with parchment paper. We're gonna set these 2 inches apart. For better tasting cookies, go ahead and put them in the fridge overnight or for at least 2 hours. We're gonna bake them at 350 degrees for 13 minutes. 13 minutes later. It smells so good in here. These look great. Alright, I found the one I want to eat first. It's that one. But before we do that, let's let them cool. Look at that. My precious. These came out pretty good. Didn't even burn the bottom or anything. Let's give them a taste test. Look at all that chocolate. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think in the comments.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya!